Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to cast your mobile device to go into your smart TV. So all you need to do, certain application do have is cast function. For example, YouTube. Let me check here. Maybe you can just select one of my. Yep. So let me just skip this ad. Right, so basically this is I just upload via YouTube. So there is an icon here that the small box with a Wi-Fi icon. All you need to do is press this. So once you press, it will automatically detect my TV here. So what you can do, select this TV, then boom, it will go to your TV, smart TV directly. So casting is then just volume down here a bit. Special edition games. So there you go. So certain applications do have this casting function. Let me just lower the volume down. Alright, so aside from that, let's try using the Netflix. So Netflix, play random video here. Okay, just play. Oops. Oh my god, I hit download. So okay, so basically here I do have this same logo as in YouTube casting. So all you need to do is tap this, then select again TV. You want to cast. Something's messed up. Just give me a minute. Maybe I'll just disconnect this one first. Try to disconnect first this right, so after disconnected, let's go back here. Okay, I want to cancel this. Just cancel download. Then just play. So once you have, you can click this and select this device, then there you go. It will go directly to your Netflix. Then just play it. Then that's it. Now you're watching here. So lower the volume down. Right. So this is how you cast your device from your mobile going to your smart TV. So hope this helped and thank you for watching.